How to integrate Square with Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate your Square with Wix in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to integrate your Square with Wix, it's a pretty easy and common tutorial and a pretty basic tutorial on how you're going to do this. So you're going to select whatever site you want to integrate with the, Square. And what you're going to do from there is you're going to go into your settings down here. And once you go into your settings, you get the basic idea of what to add and what not to add. Make sure your settings are up to par with everything with your Square. So to actually set up Square, you're going to go to your payments. And once you come to your payments, you're going to go into manage payment methods because that is where Square will be available. That is where Square will be present. So obviously, once you come over here, you're going to click on manual payments and you're going to click on connect. Obviously, you can add other payment providers for yourself in different countries, but the more used ones are manual payments. So you're going to come to manual payments, and here you can add in your Square account. So any type of Square account that you have, you can add it over here. Make sure that you correspond and connect your Square account on the other hand in the interface over here. So you have Square, power your entire business. You can add the description over here. You can send the money into my Square account, and then you're going to give the Square account to tell them what your account feels like, what your account looks like. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So that's the general idea of how you're going to integrate your Square with your Wix. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.